Quotations. I'm Ritchel and my task today is to talk about independence. Each one of us has its own definition of independence. Some defines independence simply having a full autonomy over one's own life. Deciding what color of clothes to wear, what type of dress to buy, whom to be with the whole day, and what food to prepare and eat without the command of others may be considered independence. In the family, children may found independence if they can do the things they wanted to do, can freely choose the course they wanted to study, and others. What I perceive about the definition of independence is the absolute freedom to do what you want and not to be held back by any rules or laws of government or man, but by the rules of nature and your own self-conscience. The only true way to have independence is to make decisions based on you and not based on what society thinks. All of us are dreaming to be independent. What does it mean to be independent? Being independent means not influenced or controlled by others in matter of opinion, conduct, and etc. On the other hand, independence means having freedom of choice and action, but it does not mean one is left with no higher control to report to. Independent people still have laws to abide, morals to acknowledge, and values to fulfill. Independence can include characteristics such as being self-reliant, individualistic, and self-determined. With independence comes a new responsibility. In a straight argument, independence is I will make and develop my own self. Furthermore, independence is always linked with the word freedom. Merriam Dictionary defines independence as a freedom from the outside control or support, the state of being independent, and the time when a country or region gains political freedom from the outside control. Way back on June 12, 1898, the Philippine Declaration of Independence was proclaimed by Filipino Revolutionary Forces Governor Emilio Aguinaldo in Cavite, El Viejo, Philippines. It was on July 4, 1946, when magnates read the President Truman's Declaration of Independence as stated.
I am authorized and directed by the President of the United States to proclaim the independence of the Philippines as a separate and self-governing nation.
Magnat ended with his own words. A new nation is born. Long live the Republic. May God bless and prosper the Philippine people, keep them safe and free. It was in 1962 when President Justado Macapagal moved the Philippine Independence Day to June 12, commemorating the 1898 Filipino Proclamation. After all these proclamations, others are still wondering, are we really independent? Before I will end my talk, let me leave you a short quotation from Mahatma Gandhi. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the bread of life. What would a man not pay for living? Thank you everyone for listening. Once again, good morning.